Finding area of a 2D shape by rearranging parts. This is the picture of a flower garden. Let's find out, what is the length of the fence around it? The distance around the 2D shape is called perimeter. So, we add the side lengths to get the perimeter. The length of the fence is 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 equal to 24 meters. Now let's find out, how much space does the flower garden occupy? The amount of space taken up by the flower garden means its area. Area is the total amount of space taken up by a 2D shape. Let's make a cutout of this shape on a piece of paper. For calculating area, we split this shape onto smaller familiar shapes. First, a square with each side of 4 centimeters, with one right triangle on its left, and another on the right. Let's find the base of the right triangle. Total length of the shape, 10, minus the side length of square, divided by 2. We get base of the triangles as 3 meters each. Now, we rearrange the 3 shapes to form a rectangle. The length of this rectangle is 7 meters, and the width is 4 meters. Now, the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. So, the area is 7 into 4, 28 square meters. This gives us the area of the garden. Let's try this one. What is the area of this garden? Let's make a cutout of this shape on a piece of paper. We first split this shape. So, cut a right triangle from its left and rearrange it on the right. Look! We got a rectangle. Its length is 15 meters and width 12 meters. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. So, we multiply length 15 by width 12. And the area is 180 square meters. So, we have found the area of the garden. To perform this activity, you need cutouts of the shapes and a pair of scissors. Try to convert the shape into a rectangle to get its area. Bye!